Do you actually know what a runtime error is? No? Yes? Well, if you don't, listen up. A runtime error is caused when the program is running, hence the name runtime. And the error is like inputting incorrect data into an integer field, something like that. I'm actually going to show you an example. Remember the first for program I created? Well, I'll just compile and then we'll run the program. And it says enter num1. Now I know for a fact this has got to be an integer. Now if I enter 4.5, whoa, the program doesn't like it. Panic. Well, don't panic. All it is because I've entered a real number into an integer. Now if you're lucky enough to own a copy of Turbo Pascal, the line where the error occurred will automatically be pointed out. Very, very cool for problem solving. Unfortunately for us, we have to find it ourselves. But it's quite easy to know because you actually know what bit of code was running when the program crashed, so it's quite easy to find, so don't worry about it. Now, as I said, runtime errors when the user does something he shouldn't do, really. I mean, we can get the same error if I enter text. Doesn't like it again. So, this is the thing. You as a programmer could create an amazing program and think, well, that's that and that's that, but you've got to remember, the people who use your programs are nowhere near as intelligent as you. Very cool to think that way, but anyway. No, the fact is, they're not going to know. They'll probably go, oh look, it says it's got an integer. I wonder what happens if I press this. Oops, program crashes. You get a phone call. Why does this program crash? Kind of thing. So you really need to learn how to validate inputs, but not at this stage. I'm just making you aware of them because it's quite easy to accidentally actually catch the T button or something when you press enter or something, and if you've entered a ton of data and you accidentally press the wrong button and the whole program crashes, it's like, no, very irritating. So I just thought I'd mention it. You've got to be aware of other users not knowing what type of data to enter and things like that. So you really got to learn how to validate. But it is quite tricky. So we'll actually cover that in a later chapter. But that's it for chapter 2.